Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Yahoo Mail back to classic view. It's really simple and easy. So how you can go back to the classic Yahoo Mail view. So across the top here, you should see a message saying revert back to classic view. If you don't panic, it's still available. Come up to the little cog here in the top right hand corner. This is your settings. Now you want to come down to more settings. Then on the left hand side, you want to look towards to the bottom and you should see switch to basic mail. Select this. Now you don't need to fill any of these details in. You just need to select the switch to basic mail. You can give feedback if you want. However, I'll just select switch to basic mail and there you go. You have successfully changed Yahoo Mail back to the classic view, and then you can see at the top right hand corner you can switch to the standard version of Yahoo Mail. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to change Yahoo Mail back to classic view. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.